Make a promise. Keep it, even if it costs you more than expected or you have to work much longer on it than you intended. Do not make promises you cannot keep or that you do not know you can keep. Sometimes it is best to promise that you will try, though be sure the other person understands that you are not promising to deliver. A useful saying is under-promise and over-deliver. Do not promise too much, then deliver more than you promised. In doing this, only deliver a little more. If you deliver too much, you can cause embarrassment or cause suspicion as to your intent. Promise leads to expectation, and expectation leads to prediction. When predictions fail, we feel loss of control. Promises also acts at the personal, relationship level. A promise seeks trust and bonds people together more tightly. Breaking the promise causes a betrayal response, damaging or even severing the bond. Some people make promises too easily. They agree to actions without knowing whether they will be able to keep the promise. This often happens when they are focusing on the short term. The prospect of immediate gain, especially if it is significant, can overwhelm thoughts of future punishment and lead people into deception. We also make promises when we want to be liked and are trying to please people. Saying yes is socially easier than refusal but can lead to disappointment and decrease in trust. Promises can vary in intensity. There is a difference between saying casually you will do something and swearing on your grandmother's grave you will do it. Breaking a sworn promise has far greater damage to trust because swearing gets greater trust in the first place and consequent disappointment causes a stronger betrayal effect. Expectation can also vary with the trust. Some people are naive and trust too easily. Others take casual offers as sworn promises and are terribly offended at the slightest transgression. Yet most people are reasonable in how they interpret promises. So before making promises, however minor, size up the other person, consider the long-term impact on your reputation. This includes making promises they might doubt you will keep. When you surprise them with your determination to keep promises, their trust in you will leap upwards.